Again, what is the name of the island? Hamamagi?
Hamahiga.
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 Actually, ito yung destination, but we wanted yung yung sa dagat. Parang
Destination was that.
Ito ba?
You can see it from the dagat actually. That's why.
Ang tomb?
Yeah. It's the stone. Just the rock formation.
So yung island na yan, yung bridge na yan, connecting Hamahiga with Miyagi. Then Miyagi will connect us to the main island of Okinawa. So straight, sa unahan pa?
Yep.
We follow. Turn right. Where do we turn right? Dito,
Here.
dahan-dahan.
Yep.
Dito ba?
Yes. Other side.
Okay. Wow, singig. Volume siya, volume.
1.1 kilometer turn left. I turned off the
Ay, yung kanya? Yung maingay siya.
AM. Meters turn left. We're going to cross that other bridge. Low tide naman siya.
In 400 meters, turn left.
Okay. So, going back Miyagi. Ang oil depot sa taas ng bundok ko. Tama ba yan?
Yep.
Ako. Turn left.
Turn left.
Hena. Yun, Ike Island.
Ike Island.
Automatic nag-off.